We're at the La Cañada Flintridge Riding Club. This is a clubhouse scope of work. And here are the line items. Demolish and haul away demolish and haul away sectional part of existing asphalt / driveway spanning from the first clubhouse pillar and then northbound to the second, approximately 13 linear feet, with a curvilinear variance spanning from the west to the east side. Projected length 45 linear feet. Then we're going to do demo and haul away of the existing stone wall, also spanning approximately 45 linear feet, 24 inches height. Then we are going to do demo and haul away of the existing wood chip bark mulch, the privets, and then the entire, and that is for numerous near dwelling planters, including a full demolition and haul away of the existing slab on grade concrete patio, along with the mow curbs around the perimeter planters on the south side. And we're going to be walking if you want to. This will also go?
I don't know. That's my question.
Yeah, I'm not going to include this in the scope just now. That can be a change order thing, or so we're gonna. It's going to be everything, all concrete except for the patio space, the covered patio space near the dwelling. That will remain. And this will span north all the way up along the second stone wall near the oak trees, including the mow curb there. We're also going to demolish or repurpose the existing granite boulders near the current trash can under one of the more northern oak trees. And it's also going to include all the concrete around the near dwelling oak tree on the north side of the dwelling, including the tree ring gravel, but retain the existing pea gravel path on the north side. Next line item will be remove all existing vegetation north of the existing concrete patio, underneath the two oak canopies. It's pittosporums and Japanese privets. We have some Nandina nanas and some asparagus ferns and other shrubs to be completely removed for new planting. Then do an optional section at the bottom, and then do NDS drain system for new patio if needed, to include channel drains near the dwelling as needed, to flow to either the lower points near the, what are these called? I'm sorry, these horse places? Track? Arena, yeah, to flow to an outlet adjacent to the oak tree row near the arena, or to a drain pit subgrade 3 feet deep filled with drain rock. Then go back up into the main scope, and we're now going to do a grading line item for the entire area in question. Then we're doing another optional line item, go down, and that's going to be remove existing bistro light configuration, both attached to the dwelling and to the oak trees. And next optional line item would be new installation of existing or new bistro lighting as needed in accordance with the new layout and new shade structure. Go back up in the scope. We're going to do new flat work, stamped concrete, stamped to be determined with integral color, pigment to be determined by client, for a new clubhouse patio. Reduced square footage, east. Reduce the east perimeter to open up the oak tree row plant region a bit more. A curvilinear shaped, exact shape to be determined, with antique release agent. Then do another optional line item, concrete sealer, either matte or glossy, 28 days plus after curing if desired by client. Go back up into the scope, and now we're going to do new wall work. Two new walls on the same line on the south side, dividing the existing parking lot area or parking lot with the new patio, to include an opening of approximately 10 feet. You think we want 10 feet or so? Yep, in the center of the two walls. So we're looking at approximately 35 linear feet of walls, and around... No worries about that. A projected height 24 inches, and then it is a approximate the approximate thickness of the wall will be around 18 inches. Built in CMU block, CMU block 6, and brown coated and stuccoed to match the texture of the house. And then make an annotation, stucco work to include spruce up of cracked existing stucco on the dwelling pillars as needed on two or three of the existing pillars. Then we're going to do an irrigation line item. Irrigation work for plant material to be determined, new plant material on the north side, along with other areas of plant material desired to be discussed further, to include a full anti-siphon valve manifold, irrigation controller, and Netafim drip line and rainbird components. Next line item will be pea gravel section at the northern part of the new patio, to span along the northern existing stone wall, and to introduce some movement and curvilinearity in the new shape. Then we're going to do, if I didn't already do that, new plant material for the north side plant region, and possibly near the oak tree row on the east side as well. Projected quantity as a placeholder item, subject to change. I would say 75-gallon plants to start. Next line item will be outdoor kitchen, built in CMU 4 or CMU 6, brown coated structure, placeholder line item, 15 linear feet, L-shaped, with a bar section and a medium, mid-range granite countertop fabricated to according to hardware specs. All hardware to be procured by client, to include a sink and cold water and a drain pipe, not to be connected to the wastewater line, but to a pit or to an adjacent plant region. That's that. Then I think that might be it. Anything I forgot? Pergola or shade structure installation, custom build or prefab to be determined. Projected specs 15 by 25 with either adjustable louvers or a retractable shade cover. Style to match the existing architecture of the clubhouse. Yes? Okay.